That's right, guys, we're back with another video here in Taipei, Taiwan, doing a little car spot here in, I don't really know which area this is, but a lot of the tuners and dealerships reside here. We got a red RS4 on HREs. That's actually pretty damn sick. And R8, I think this is a dealership, so we're gonna go in and take a look, but we're just gonna go around here, walk around, see what we see. Got some exhaust systems just chilling here in the garden or the patio area here. Pretty interesting, but let's try and go inside, see if we get some footage for you guys and some content. So here we go. All right, guys, we got a Speciale Coupe in there, and we got a GT3 RS. I think they're a distributor for HRE wheels. We're currently perusing through some of the automotive dealerships, exotic car dealerships, and garages in Taipei, Taiwan here. Got a Morgan, I think it's an Aerosport BRABUS smart car, all kitted out in matte white. I don't know if that's the name of the specific model, the Ultimate 120, or that's what the owner just wants. Currently here at Beta Automotive, we're getting hooked up with the workshop tour. We got an E-Type that's been disassembled. Got a 512M, but an all carbon fiber GTR right over there. It's hard to see. And of course, we got the GT3 RS. I'm doing my very best to kind of avoid the license plate because, you know, it's kind of a touchy subject here. You don't really want to film any of that nonsense in Taipei. People respect their privacy. Of course, we got a Porsche racing car up top here and a black Challenge Stradale. Pretty damn sick. I think they're working on all the cars here. That shot of the interior, and of course the carbon fiber GTR right over here. You can sort of see it in the sun. I don't know what's picking up, but got a G55 all murdered out, but we got the Supreme sticker on. Of course, we got these three cars in this collection. I think they're owned by the owner of Beta Automotive. We got the Ford GT in blue. Pretty damn rare car in Taipei. Of course, we got the VW Bug. I think it's the RSI edition. There's what, 200? It's manual. It's got a massive wing right in the rear right here. Pretty sick. Of course, no plate. And of course, we got the classic Porsche Carrera in white. So we're getting the ultimate hookup thanks to Beta Automotive here. Gracious enough to show us around, show some of the cars. I don't know if this is open to the public. Let's go back outside and check out some of the cars. Got the black Scuderia with the gold trim and the gold wheels and the SLS. Of course, got a massive BRABUS 4x4 right next to a classic good old American Corvette. It's gonna be pretty interesting to see one of these 4x4s cruising around downtown Taipei. We've got the carbon fiber bonnet, BRABUS, and of course the BRABUS badge right over here. Classic SLS, much better than the AMG GT variant. The doors do go up. I like this so much better. And of course you got the Scuderia with the gold trim and the stripe right here. Not bad. This is really sick. Apparently this is what, one of two black Scuderias in Taipei, or is it one of two Scuderias in general in Taipei? Either or, this is a very, very clean spec with the gold wheels right over there. Of course, you got the gold wing doors on the SLS. Like, I used to see these all the time in Los Angeles and Beverly Hills and never really appreciated them until the AMG GT came out. And let's just put it this way, these are so much cooler. The Beta Automotive Service Center there, I think that's where they do all the custom work on the cars there. Did a nice little tour of the inside of the main showroom. All these cars are for sale here that you see in the main showroom. And of course, we got a little lounge area up top. Pretty cool setup here. Nice. Vintage, classic supercars at Beta Automotive. We got Ember hooking us up, and we got this Macan Turbo with gold HREs, I think. Hold on, let me take a look. I think they're HREs, yeah. Wow. Got a pretty sick looking Toyota Supra with the Brembo brakes right over here. Good spec. I think they resprayed this entire thing. Let's take a look at the wing and the rear. Six spot. So we just stumbled across another dealership here. It's called M Gallery. They occupy the lobby space here in this massive office building. So all those offices do not belong to them, I think. Don't know if that's correct or not. Oh, what is going on here? You have like a little picnic, little like a hipster powwow camp going on here. Follow your dreams. Well, that's exactly what we're doing, but we got M Gallery, got a couple cars on consignment for sale in the back there. Not sure we're allowed to film, so we're gonna be a little bit cautious, but pretty sick spot. I like it. Got a knight in shining armor here at the lounge, or I guess the lobby. Got a woman taking some photos of flowers. We're gonna check out the cars in a little bit right over there. The red Carrera GT has been, I think, slightly lowered. That's not for sale. This LP560-4 though, front carbon splitter, side skirt, custom wheel, silver calipers. We got the custom exhaust as well, and the wing. I think it's got 9,300 miles. They're selling for what, 162,000 US dollars. It's got a custom Alcantara interior. A little hard to see there, but this is pretty nice. I'm really digging this spec, but it is a little bit out of my price range, and it's in Taipei, so that's kind of out of the question. Of course, got the red Carrera GT that's not for sale right over there, but it looks to be lowered just a tad bit. Correct me if I'm wrong. Porsche enthusiast, that's right. We got a McLaren 12C, we got a KTM crossbow, got a standard Mercedes going on over there, and ooh, we got gold HREs on the 458 FI exhaust, or I don't know. Of course, we got a matte red 458 as well with the custom exhaust. I'm guessing FI exhaust. Not too bad. We're doing pretty well for ourselves here, trying to do some dealership spotting and some car spotting here in Taipei, so not too shabby. And they just got this car in yesterday. Believe it or not, everyone has been quite hospitable here so far at the M Gallery, and we're just at what, Beta Automotive, that's correct, and with Ember. And check this out, we got a sick looking lounge, I guess, for the clients. Got the Captain America shield right over there. All right, guys, we're on a roll so far. 2 out of 2 have let us in, and I think our streak is gonna end here with Lamborghini Taipei. A couple years ago, I was here with my buddy Joseph Chen, who was kind enough to show me around, but they got a brand new Urus here. But the problem, at least, oh wait, I just saw, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, there it is, it's gone down, nice. Anyways, we got the Urus right over here with an Italian stripe. Now, is that a big yay or a big nay? Because the stripe goes not from the rear, but goes the entire length of the car here. Let me show you on the bonnet of the car. Here we go. Oh, yikes. Hopefully it's just a sticker, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of the Italian stripe. But yes, we were here a couple years ago, and they wouldn't even let us in the dealership. We had to have an appointment, or we had to know someone, or be an existing customer of the dealership. So we're getting lucky. Got to start up the Lamborghini Urus, and that's it. Of course, it's got the questionable Italian stripe right down the middle of the bonnet, all the way to the end of the car. There you guys have it. That's a no-go with the Lamborghini dealership. Now, no offense to them, but I've been to many Lamborghini dealerships around the world, and I've never been denied or asked to call in advance for an appointment, but it is neither here or there. We got the tech car kit on this Porsche SUV right here. Dude, there's a 7-Eleven right across the street, and there's one right here, just in case you didn't want to cross the street. So we're currently here at Ximending, the night market, a bunch of shops. Of course, we got the local Taipei PD here. Real question is, did they have an Officer Pina on the force? We'll never know. The obligatory dog spot here in Ximending. Currently eating a few snacks here as well. So, all right, guys, we're currently here near Taipei 101. We got a Hyundai Elantra in chrome purple. It's got red outlines on the wheels here. Very reminiscent of Anthony's Garage's chrome purple Lotus. This is something, this is the first time I've ever seen anyone wrap a Hyundai in my entire life, let alone in chrome wrap. Pretty damn impressive. And he's parked in the red. Now we're rolling, guys. The, I don't even know what that is. The wagon with pink wheels and a pink roof rack. Hold on, wait for it, wait. There it is. Now we're rolling. Right next to the chrome purple Hyundai Elantra. Currently here near Taipei 101, do a little car spotting at night. We got a brand new R8 in green. It's not candy green or anything. And we got an Alfa Romeo right over there, quadrifoglio. You can't really see it, and a standard 911 in red. Things are looking on the up and up, so not too bad.